What is up, everybody? It's Crumb of the Crumb Investments and One is back at you again with another video. And today, we're going to be going over a new weekly forecast. And Happy New Year! Happy New Year! This is going to be the first, pretty much first week back. Everybody's coming back to the markets pretty much this week. The holidays has kind of ended. The money's starting to move again, and the economy just starting to wake back up again and getting over the holidays. So the market should be back to its normal volatility this week. And I thought it'd be a good day to put out my first weekly forecast for 2022. So here we go. So let's start out with the dollar. Okay, so the dollar has been consolidating all last month. So just looking, let me go to monthly real quick. So looking at the dollar, I do see liquidity sitting right up at these equal highs on a weekly basis. We are currently in this order block right here. However, I don't think it's strong enough to hold. I do think we will see more bullish pressure coming up. Let me go ahead and change the color on this. So we are in this range. So I'm gonna drop down to a daily, and within the daily, you see this order block right here. Actually, I'll go ahead and leave that color. And we are in this overall initial order block right here. So I would like to get some kind of push up. And we do have this order block down here that it could possibly come to. All right. Broken structure here. All right, so yeah, so I'll be looking for some kind of push up into this order block. Starting because it is 7:53 Eastern time now, so be looking for probably some kind of push up there in London to get someone to kind of sell down during New York. That's what I'll probably be looking for. So with that being said, I'll be looking for the opposite thing to happen on. Start with Forex with EU. Yeah, looks good. And we have this order block. We can refine it just a little bit on the 4 hour right here. So yeah, we can definitely see some kind of push up. Change the color of this to green to push up to somewhere in this area. And get some kind of accumulation down. Alright, so yeah, that'll be my bias. So what I want to do is actually drag this here and go too deep into this just quite yet. Yeah, I don't see anything else to really drag and alert. If it had broke some kind of structure here, that's what I was waiting for. Somewhere up in this range up in here, but it hasn't, so don't worry about it yet. So we'll move to EU. Looking for the opposite things. Let me just go ahead and start out on the monthly. So as we know, EU is very similar to GU. So kind of saying the similar things. It's just in the opposite direction. Go ahead and mark this out, just like we had that order block on the dollar. We also have it here. All right. We could be looking for some kind of reverse too, just like we're looking for some kind of reverse there, to buy up. And on the dollar, I see this, just a little bit. I see this swing high. Oh, wrong tool. This swing high to this swing low. This out of the way here. So based off this, we are in the discounts, so we can be looking for buys up. And off these buys, I do, just like on the dollar, I do see this order block right here that we can play off of. So what I want to do is drop down. Right there. It's looking good. Yeah. Could refine it. I'm actually going to refine it just a little bit more to a 4-hour order block. Right here. Yeah. And then same thing. So looking for, let's go hop down to the hour real quick just to see. So we are in this order block right here. So we could see some kind of push down into this order block, just like we could see with the dollar, just in opposite directions to get some kind of buys up. But I wouldn't be too inclined to be selling here because we are in the discounted price. We aren't in, if it was above this 50, then would be in premium, meaning it's good to sell. But since we are still in discounted price, I'd be looking for strictly just buys. But we shall see. But yeah, that is my bias on the dollar. And then let's go and hop to the SP 500. Let's go ahead and move out. I want to delete all this. Kind of do it fresh again because this is from last week. Delete this. It's gonna mark up again. So nothing's changed about the indices or the stock market in general. It's just going up. it's going up until this tells me otherwise. It's going up. So actually, it's at a really good discounted price to be buying into any stock right about now. So with that said, I'm just gonna go ahead and start on the dollar because we know it's bullish. So let's see the swing high to the swing low. So now we are refining a little bit right there. So I want it to be nice and perfect. All right, so we are now in the discount price. So now we're good to buy, and I'm not interested to do anything with SP 500 but buys. Not interested to sell it at all. So we have this daily order block right here. Within that daily order block, I do see a 4-hour order block right here. And I see another one right here. So I'd be interested in buying in here. We do have this order block right up in here, but I like this order block right here. But I'm not really too interested in this because it's just not the cleanest. It is an order block, but it's not the cleanest, and because it doesn't leave imbalance behind or sweep liquidity like these both do. And then it's not in a bigger time frame order block. Like these two right here are both in this daily order block. See how it's nice and layered like that. So that is where I'll be looking to. But it could reverse here. I'll be watching price, but I'm more so interested to buy in these areas. We can drop down to the hourly just to see, because we do have an order block right up in here. We could definitely see a reaction, and it's below the 50, so we definitely could. But what I would do is just put alert here. Just drop down to the 15 just to see something real quick. Yeah, nothing I can just play off of on the 15. So So we'll just stick to the hourly. We'll put an alert right here, but I have a feeling it might just crash through here, and then we probably could see some nice buys in this area here or this area here. So if you come here, here, or here, I don't even know why I put it all the way up there, but here and there. All right, so yeah. If you're a long-term investor, just looking to hold any particular stock, or this the VTR, VO, any kind of total stock index, or SP500, whatever, I mean, you're more than valid to start buying now. If you want to get a little better prices, I would hold, but there's no guarantee that it's going to come down here. You're already at a discounted price because you're below the 50, so I go ahead and invest now. That is it. Yeah, actually, let's go ahead and do AU. Let's go ahead and do AU. I have started trading AU because actually I don't like the way it like FSCM for Forex. Back tested notes right here. Mind any of this, delete this, delete all this. All right, so let's but I've been trading AU because EU has been a big consolidation all through pretty much all of last 2 months really. But yeah, so just looking at the weekly, we're bearish. So right off the bat, okay, so we are bearish, but we are technically at a discounted price. Looking at it from this swing high to this swing low, but we are in an order block right here, and we can go ahead and fib this up from this weekly swing high to swing low. As you can see, it tested beautifully, kissed beautifully right off that 50 or chase. Could have caught some good sales in there. So as we bring this thing on down, nice reaction off this order block right up in here. So and we did just get this break of structure. Oh yeah, nice pin bar reflection off of this order block up in here. So yeah, and we're not nice in a nice discounted price. So I'll be looking for buys up all the way until next week. And I do see this order block right up in here. It's 4-hour order block right here. But yeah, I'll be looking to ride buys up at least to this area. Yeah, that's all I really see for now. I had this order block right here that it did react off of. I really don't like getting to a 15-minute on Sundays, but we could see something in there. It has this 15-minute order block right there that it could possibly ricochet off of. Let's put alert right here. Let's go ahead and just mark an order block. Just like this whole area, just to be safe. Yeah, we could possibly see a play in this area to keep down and go up, but like I said, this is a 15-minute order block, so it could come tank through this and come down here, sweep this lows and maybe create some more accumulations, and then eventually go up. But I am bullish on this, on AU. Yeah, because we are still in a discounted price. You can go ahead and mark this swing high to swing low up. You know, still at a discounted. So if we do get sales, I mean, it could come lower because it does have some order blocks up in here. But if it does come lower, I like it to see it go higher and then come lower, and then I don't know, maybe something like that. I don't know. But for now, I would like to see buys until it gets above this 50% range, definitely. But all right, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Creme de la creme is out.